Hey party people and cocktail lovers, today we're going to try the classic hurricane cocktail. I mean, who wouldn't love something served in a sexy glass like this? But before we jump into that, make sure you hit that subscribe, like, and notify bell down below this video, and we'll be right back. Hey, did you hit that subscribe button while we were away? Well, let's talk about a classic New Orleans cocktail that is boozy, it's fruity, and it has all the ingredients to make the perfect party cocktail. But it is not for the faint-hearted. So let's jump right in. We're going to start off with 2 shots today of light rum. We're using Cruzan's light aged rum today. And when I said boozy, I wasn't kidding. Now we're going to start with 2 shots of Gosling's dark sealed Bermuda black rum. So think about it. We got a drink here. It's a tall drink, but it's got 4 shots of rum in it. And the way this came about, back in the 1940s, Pat O'Brien had a dilemma. He had this fantastic bar in New Orleans, but there was plenty of rum, but not so much in terms of whiskey and other spirits. So he had to come up with a cocktail that looked great, and the hurricane glass is based on the traditional hurricane candle glass that's very common in New Orleans. But we'll get to that in just a second. Let's keep going forward with the cocktail. All right, we have the rum in place. Now we want fresh squeeze. We want an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Get that going in there. And we're going to put in 1 ounce of fresh squeezed orange juice. Same way. Aim it away from my appropriately colored Tommy Bahama shirt. When you use the best ingredients, you get the best results. There we go. Got an ounce of that going in. All right, now this is a drink. You know, it's tasty and it's worth the effort, but it will keep your jigger busy while you're making it. All right, the next one we're going to put in 1/2 ounce of passion fruit syrup in this one. In this case, we're using Master of Mixes. And you can find links to all these ingredients down below, so you don't have to go hunting around for them. And then we're going to take a teaspoon, have my handy dandy bar teaspoon here, of grenadine. Put that right in the mix. And last but not least, we're going to add some simple syrup, and we're also using Master of Mixes simple syrup, and we're also doing 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. So a lot of sugar, a lot of booze in this drink. All right, give our jigger a rest. All right, we're going to add some ice into this. And today I'm using the Mixology and Craft Boston Shaker set. I love this set. It looks great. It's hard working and it does the job. So give that a good shake till you feel that beautiful copper start cooling down. And set that down for a second. And through the miracle of TV, or which is more commonly known YouTube these days, we take our crushed ice-filled hurricane glass and use the Mixology and Craft strainer on top of that and pour that deliciousness down through there. That is one sexy looking drink. Top that right up to the top. There we go. And we finish it off with a garnish of an orange slice and a cherry. So there you have it, the perfect hurricane cocktail based on the Pat O'Brien's original recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go try this at home. It's fantastic. And so check out our other craft cocktail ideas, our party ideas, and even our karaoke parties on this channel. Cheers.